Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 20 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to focus on Ardha Baddha Passchimotanasana, which is a forward bend from a half lotus position. But as always, as beginners, we're going to look at some options for that. So come to the base of your choice. Make sure you feel grounded as you connect with the breath. Connect with the body, connect with the mind. Engage the bandhas. We'll begin with the opening chant as always to give thanks. Take a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinde Samdashti Satsva Savara Pote Nishte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hala Hala Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So Samasthiti, you can come to seated, all fours or standing to begin Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms. Dve, exhale and fold. Trini, inhale, keep the hands down, remember you can bend your knees. Chaturanga, exhale, Chaturanga. Also bring your knees down. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Chat, exhale, downward dog. One, so just settle into the breath, settle into the body, you might walk the door. Two, you're seated, just relax the head. Stay connected to the breath. Three, and downward dog, further the muscles of the legs, spread out the fingers. Four, reach the hips and sitting bones up and back. Establish your drishti. And five, look forward. Supta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samasthiti. And again. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lengthen. Chaturanga, exhale, Chaturanga, lower. Hansha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog. One, two, so remember, hands are shoulder distance, feet are hip distance. Three, I'm using Ujjayi breath with sound. Four, and five. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Nava, inhale. And exhale, Samasthiti. Surya Namaskar B, again from any of those bases. Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch, square the hips. Exhale all the way down. Inhale to lift, draw the shoulders back. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Exhale all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. One. Even out the breath, doing really well. Two, feel free to bring the knees down. Three, relax the head and shoulders. Four, and five. Look forward, inhale, step, jog or jump through to seated. As we set up for Ardha Baddha Passchimotanasana, I'm going to show you some options here for Ardha Baddha. So, first of all, just stretch the legs out. So an option here is to cup the knee and the heel and try to bring those towards level eventually. So be careful of your knee. You sit tall, look straight ahead. That's an option. 1. Another option is to come to a half lotus position or just drop the leg down. If you can take that, you can wrap the right arm around the back, take hold of the crook of the left elbow, and continue to sit tall. 2, active toes of the left foot. So if your knee is quite high like mine is, these are the best 2 options to take. You don't want to trouble your knees. If your hips aren't ready, then your knees will feel it. 3, so the next option is a half lotus position. I can see this is not wise for me to do fully today, but if you're doing this, you'd wrap the arm around, take hold of the big toe, and then fold forwards. 3, stay happy, whichever option you're in. Sometimes you can be a little bit stiff in the morning, that's okay, that's normal. 4, if you're really happy to do the half lotus, go for it. Enjoy your practice. 5, inhale, look up. Exhale, release. So you can take a seated vinyasa or cross at the ankles. As usual, step or jump back to plank, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, roll the shoulders back. Exhale to dog. Look forward, bend the knees. Again, coming through as we work to the opposite side. Ardha Baddha Passchimotanasana. Ardha Baddha Passchimotanasana to the left side. Entering. 1, so remember your options. If this is still a big ask, you can cross the ankle much lower down or towards the inside of the leg. So see where your knee needs to be. 2, keep sitting tall, engage those bandhas. Keep looking straight ahead. 3, remember you can go to a half lotus and do a wrap around, take the crook of the elbow. 4, or if you can easily take the toes, you then fold forward, but only if you can take the toes. Good. 5, inhale, look up. Exhale, release. And take your vinyasa. So again, you can try and take the legs back. Eventually, the feet don't touch the floor. Tricky. Lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. As we set up for the final 3. Cross the arms behind the back. Inhale, lift up. Baddha Padmasana. Exhale, fold in. 1. Gaze towards the tip of the nose, relax the neck, find the breath. 2, 3, squeeze the pelvic floor. 4, listen to your body. 5, so try not to bring any will or striving into this. 6, instead follow the waves of breath. 7, Nasabrai, Pinocchio Dristi. 8, 9, remember it's fine to be up here. Stay happy. 10, inhale, lift up. Exhale, release to Padmasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drop the chin. 1, 2, really focus on the breath. 3, good. 4, bandhas engaged, straight lines of energy. 5, 6, 7, not too much pressure through the first finger and thumb. Remember, butterfly wing. 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Uplutihi. Remember your options. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1, tuck. 2, that's it. Lower abdominals in. 3, draw the shoulders down. 4, no, you can drop the knees down and just lift through the sitting bones. 5, if you can't lift, that's all right, just engage. 6, it took me a long time to be able to lift up. 7, And some days, you know, it's just not wise. 8, stay strong, nearly there. 9, you can do it, nearly there. And 10, exhale, bring it down, well done. Ease out the wrists. You know your options. Final vinyasa to freedom. Release into vinyasa, exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Lay your body down for Shavasana. Open the palms, fluffy ankles. If you need to ease out any other way, that's fine. Otherwise, take an inhale. Exhale. Let go. Big inhale. Exhale. Soften the body. Big inhale. Last one. Exhale. So, beginning to sink into a place of deep peace and stillness, resting here for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, it's already time to deepen the breath. Moving the head from side to side as you wiggle fingers and toes. And then take an inhale, full body stretch. Exhale, soften, bend the knees, bend the elbows, squeeze in. A big thank you to the body for the practice as you roll to one side. Pause here for a moment. Maybe plant a seed of gratitude. And then lever yourself up to comfortable seated. As you arrive, put my hands together, sit tall, take an inhale, exhale as we give thanks for our health and our practice. And inhale, lift the prayer hands up, exhale to center, namaste. So well done for getting through day 20. I hope you'll continue this journey. We're 2/3 of the way there. If you enjoyed the class, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do find me on Instagram for more yoga inspiration. Have a great day.